of tourists who have visited Goa from USA, Singapore, Japan and other countries where international events and tourism roadshows were organized by department. In Annexure 1, they've said. Annexure 1 only tells the total number of domestic and international tourists, does not give a breakup of what is the footfall which has come in from those countries. Because if you see, in Annexure 2, crores of rupees have been spent.
Speaker sir, Annexure 3 pay. Annexure 3 dila तुका figures. Which माहिती सकाळी करेक्ट जे केला अपलोड केला.
Annexure 3 ना.
असा अपलोड केला.
I can't get it. I can only see 1 and 2. And because in the Annexure 2, Koteni Poishi Mulde for these road shows, Moscow 97 lakhs, Spain 78 lakhs, Berlin 99 lakhs, and now 1 crore 36 lakhs WTM London. Everything is running in lakhs of rupees, in crores also, huge amounts, but that answer is not there. Did you find?
Speaker sir, already धाडिल्लें आसा, पूण म्हाका दिसता copy खंय sir. You want the figures and I'll pass a copy to you.
You can pass the copy. Meantime, since we are running short of time, I will just want to ask another question, second question. Out of the total funds of 587 crores sent from the centers since 2021, you have utilized only 11%. This was an answer to Unstart question 183 today.
Which one is this? What has Prasad got to do with the decline in tourism?
Because you have received 587 crores from the center.
But where is
You
it
have
got to do?
three phases.
Sir,
If you have spent the money on Swadesh Darshan, construction Unity Mall and Liberation Day grants.
Speaker sir, reply जो आम्ही मागला प्रश्न असा 3B चे decline in tourism. Tourismaचो first question असा regarding month-wise statistics available with tourism. Second असा tourism footfall. तिसरो असा calendar. Fourth असा month-wise and year-wise number of tourists. What he is asking is related to infrastructure, which has not got any relation to this question. पण ताका आणि related to this असा विचारू नी. खंयचो पाचवा प्रश्न, सहावा प्रश्न, which is related to infrastructure, has no relation with the decline in tourism. What you are asking, honorable member is asking, Speaker sir, is related to infrastructure. Then a separate question also.
Infrastructure is part of your development of tourism circuits. Otherwise, if you don't have the infrastructure built, including toilets, changing rooms and all that, what kind of tourists will come? They are dirting the beaches, they are dirting the sides on the roads, they are going in the bushes, and it becomes a stink. People don't want to come out. The good tourists don't want to come. If you don't have this infrastructure money spent, it will result in footfall of tourists.
Because
decline.
तुमचा प्रश्न किती?
I want, what manner are you going to increase? Because there's a decline of tourism.
Speaker sir, I beg to differ with what our honorable member is put across. How better तुमच्या खातीर figure वाचता, so that you get a gist of what it is. 2019 pre-pandemic, Speaker sir, domestic footfall आशिल्ले 71 lakhs 27,287. तो figure 2022 नोव्हेंबर पर्यंत 72 lakhs 1,989 जालो, which we are already by November in terms of domestic footfalls already exceeded the numbers which have been recorded pre-COVID. Because सगळे tourism जेन्ना आमी compare करता, Speaker sir, we are comparing it pre-COVID and post-COVID. Domestic immediately rise झाले. आता international, Speaker sir, international 2019 9,37,113 foreign tourist arrivals were there. Against which, Speaker sir, overall market, every country is recovering in terms of international footfalls. And थंय आमी आज, Speaker sir, 2022 समज 1,69,005 international tourists had come. As of November provisional, Goa has received 4,03,403 tourists, Speaker sir, which is a surge of 138.69%. आता हे जे numbers हांव दिता are related to which have come into Goa. आता for example, Speaker sir, emerging markets, he was talking about why we are spending money. Speaker sir, when we go for a road show, when we go for particular marketing ourselves, there are two parts. One is to promote yourself as Goa as a destination. प्री कोविड पोस्ट कोविड परसेप्शन चेंज जे आमी घेतला गोवा बियॉन्ड बिचीस ते आमी फुडें मांडचे पडटा, कोलॅबोरेशन्स करचे पडटा, मिटिंग्स करच्यो पडटा, B2B मिटिंग्स जावच्यो पडटा आनी ताज्या खातीर वी एन्श्योर दॅट वेदर इट इज अ रोड शो or whether it is a marketing event which is being participated like World Travel Mart, whole industry participates, आम्ही participate जाता आणि त्या टायमार स्पीकर सर B2B बिझनेसूय बरो जाता. आता इफ यू टेक अ फिगर ऑफ फ्रान्स स्पीकर सर, फ्रान्साचो स्पीकर सर समज फिगर पळयलो जाल्यार इंडिया अरायवल्स इन फ्रान्स इज रफली अबाउट 2,47,238 आणि आमचे फिगर आसा 9,761. सो जेन्ना हांव फाल्यां फ्रान्साक शोक वता, इट इज नॉट ओन्ली टू पीपल ऑफ फ्रान्स टू अट्रॅक्ट रोड शोज जेन्ना वता, इट इज द पीपल ऑफ फ्रान्स इन द कंट्री ऑफ फ्रान्स. But when we are going for events like WTM, ITM, ITB Berlin, then we are going and meeting the world there. Today, Speaker Sir, I would also want this, CMAक मागला की ऑपोजिशनाच्या मेंबरांक घेवन वचपाची गरज आसा, कित्याक एक वेळ असो आशिल्लो की आमी जंकेट्स म्हणटाले, पूण नो लॉंगर इज अ बिझनेस ऑफ जंकेट्स. वी आर डुईंग सिरियस बिझनेस ओवर देर. आणि सिरियस बिझनेस करता आसतना मिटिंगो एअरलायन्स वाल्यां कडेन आज मोपावालो आपूण स्वता येता थंय. Lot of people from our B2B business community come there. I would want you to come in evaluating yourself along with us to see what we are doing there. Speaker sir, आज market competitive जाल्लें आसा. Domestically देखो अपना देश म्हणटकर within the state, with every state is having its own competition. And at the same time, Speaker sir, internationally when we are participating, we will have to tap the international growing markets. आमचे Speaker sir कितें जाला, UK आणि रशिया are two markets which we have been continuously dependent on. ह्या वर्सा इस्रायल येवपाचे आशिल्ले, हमास जाले, इस्रायल ड्रॉप्ड. उझबेकिस्तान आमी चालू केले स्पीकर सर, पयली चार्टर आयिल्ली आमचे कडेन, सेकंड चार्टर दे डिडंट कम. सो वी नीड टू कंटिन्युअसली मार्केट आवर सेल्स एंड एन्श्योर दॅट वी आर देअर इन दॅट पोझिशन, नॉट ओनली फॉर सन, सॅन्ड अँड सी. We have to talk about wellness, we have to talk about adventure, we have to talk about spiritualism, which we have increased in the last 1 year when we are talking about ecotourism. We are talking about hinterlands. We need to market ourselves, Speaker sir, in these markets. And ताज्या खातीर, as we market ourselves there, तुम्ही the प्रसाद scheme काढली.
I will ask you one thing
प्रसाद
specific.
scheme काढली 5.87 crores. Speaker sir,
Honorable
प्रसाद
Speaker.
scheme ची आमका 5.87 crores.
Just 1 moment, I will just say something. You have gone for so many road shows. What is the reports which you all have submitted? What is the action plan? Where is it in public domain? Because it seems to be only a holiday junket. No need of inviting us because we don't want to come in for that. Because if you have a road map, if you know what you're doing and why you're going, at least you put it on before the table of the House, what you all have done, what is your projections, what your expectation, and then you give us a summary of what you have done so far, what you have achieved.
Speaker sir, leader of opposition, star LQ 8A, has asked this specific question on the reports. And all the reports pertaining to these particular tour trips and shows आम्ही जे केल्या सगळ्या त्या 8 आसा which is marked by him. ताणे स्पेसिफिक विचारला, आम्ही स्पेसिफिक दिलें. स्पेसिफिक जेन्ना विचारूकच ना स्पीकर सर, हाऊ डू वी गिव द रिपोर्ट्स?
अरे राव रे, जॉइंट क्वेश्चन कोंकणी समजना. स्पीकर सर, मंत्री भाशण दिता, एक सिंपल फिगर, टुरिझम डिक्लायन जावंकूच ना म्हणटा तो. मोविन गुदिनान स्टेटमेंट दिला की टुरिझम डिक्लायन जाला म्हणून. म्हाका दिसता मंत्र्यान मोविनाक मेळ्ळा पुरो, फिगर काडले. राव क्वेश्चन विचारता. स्पीकर सर, हांगा जेन्ना मंत्री म्हणटा तेन्ना एक गोवनान एडिट आयलें, टुरिझम डावन टर्न, मिनिस्टर शूड ओन अप फॉर फॉलीज म्हणून. ते मातशें वाच. आज तुमचे पयशे
कितें वाचलें तें?
मिनिस्टर मस्ट ओन अप फॉर फॉलीज म्हणून. दॅट मीन्स देर इज अ फॉली, यू आर डुईंग अ मिस्टेक. And you have to own up for it. That's what the edit is saying of your friend.
Sir, newspaper कोण information दिता आणि कितें घेवपाक जाता तें आमकां खबर आसता.
क्वेश्चन विचारून आयक आतां. स्पीकर सर, एक इश्यू असो आहा की तो म्हणटा आपूण सगळे रिपोर्ट दिता. व्हाईट पेपर दी इन द हाऊस ऑन ऑल द रोड शोज. आमी स्पीकर सर पयलीं बरोबर आशिल्ले, दिलीप पर्रीकार मंत्री आशिल्लो, आमी एक एक्सपोज केल्लें स्कॅम आणि तेन्ना पर्रीकारान उतर दिल्लें की प्री ऑडिट ऑफ ऑल रोड शोज विल हॅपन म्हणून. हो सगळ्यांत चड बोवाळ मारपी आशिल्लो. आतां प्री ऑडिट कर. तूं रशियेक वता, रशिया भिकेक पावल्या थंय. खंयच्या रशियेंतल्यान कोण येतले हांगा? तुका अमेरिकेक वता थंय वता, तुमी भोंवता गोंयभर, जगभर भोंवतात, सरकाराचे खुस्तार. स्पीकर सर, टुरिझम तशें जायना. आमकां वी आर डिमांडींग अ बॅन ऑन ऑल प्रमोशन्स. स्टॉप ऑल प्रमोशन्स. वी डोंट वॉन्ट कन्सल्टंट, वी वॉन्ट अ थिंक टँक. गोंयचे लोक आहा जे ताका फुकट एडवायस दितले. गोंयचे नाका हांकां जाय भितर 50-50 करपाचें. सारकें बेजीक म्हाका सांग, वॉट what are you prepared to put a white paper?
कसं?
ना जाल्यार half an hour discussion घेवचे हाजेर.
Speaker
Speaker
sir,
sir, it is the backbone. Even Mohin Budin agrees with what I am saying. It is the backbone of our economy. Half an hour discussion दिया हाजेर.
स्पीकर सर, वी आर इक्वली रिस्पॉन्सिबल. आवाज केलो म्हणून जायना.
आवाज दी.
तो
मिनिट
गोवन
आहात
editor आयले,
half an hour
जायना.
discussion करूया.
हांगा
Speaker sir, half an
speaker
hour
sir.
discussion दी. Half an hour discussion दिया तुम्ही हाजेर.
Speaker sir.
सारखे डिस्कस करूया. हांवूय शिकून आयलो.
उत्तर
Half an hour discussion जालें हांगा टाइम सोंपलो.
कसं ह्या वर्साक आम्ही रोड शो जेन्ना केल्या, एव्हरी रिपोर्ट हॅज बीन गिवन आणि कोणे मागल्या ते रिपोर्ट हॅज बीन प्लेस्ड.
White paper दे रे, white paper.
स्पीकर सर, आय एम ऑन माय फीट नाउ.
Maybe on the field.
होतो जण बडा 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 करता. बस आता.
आन्सर देऊ दे.
Half an hour discussion दी. Half an hour.
स्पीकर सर, बस
Half an hour discussion दिया.
स्पीकर सर,
जिरोवर श्री चंद्रकांत
Half an
शेट्टे,
hour discussion दिया हाजेर.
चंद्रकांत
कसं?
शेट्टे, डॉक्टर चंद्रकांत शेट्टे, जिरोवर.
Fear है.
चंद्रकांत मूव कर. डॉक्टर चंद्रकांत शेट्टे.
Fear.